Right, this video is going to be looking at an introduction to formulas and how we evaluate algebraic expressions by using substitution. So evaluate means we want to find the value, so an answer, essentially a numerical value. Substitution means to take the place or replace the variable with a number. So let's say, for example, x is given as 4, x equals to 4, and y equals to 3. So if we're asked to evaluate an algebraic expression, let's say the algebraic expression is x plus y. When we substitute, instead of the variable, we write its numerical value. So we know that x equals 4, so every time we see an x, we put a 4 there, and y equals 3, so we put a 3 there, and evaluate it means give me an answer, so my answer is 7. Let's do another one. Alright, so again, we know that x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 3. Let's say our algebraic expression is different this time. If we have 2xy, so 2xy actually means 2 times x times y. So you don't need to write this bit, we're just showing this so that we understand what the expression means. So again, if we're substituting, we would write 2 times, instead of x, we know that x equals to 4. And instead of y, we know that y equals to 3. And then evaluating that, 2 times 4 times 3, my answer there would be 24. So evaluate gives me a numerical answer, gives me a value. Alright, let's do another one. Let's give some different values. Let's say, for example, a is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. Alright, this time my expression is going to be a squared c. Again, we can write out what it means, or we can just go ahead and substitute straight away. So a squared means 2 squared. That c that right next to it means times c, so times by 5. So 2 squared is 4, and then 4 times 5, straight away we can write our answer, which gives us 20. Let's do another one. Let's say that, let's use those same values. So what did we have? A equals 2 and c equals to 5. Okay, let's say, for example, we have a bracket c plus 1, and then we're going to divide that all by a plus 3. Okay, so we're just substituting here, so let's replace the values. So instead of a, we've got 2 bracket c plus 1, which is 5 plus 1, close bracket, over a plus 3, which is 2 plus 3. So once you fill all of that in, you can just evaluate it, put it into your calculator if you wish, or you can do it by hand. So that answer there, I know that this bit will give me 6. 6 times 2 gives me 12, and this gives me 5. So your calculator might give you a decimal, that's fine, but if not, you can leave your answer as a fraction. So in this case, when I evaluate that algebraic expression with those values, my answer is 12 over 5.